Understanding your Texas market data in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you what the TABC feed is, why it lags a few weeks, and where to read the freshness date. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Market Intelligence, TX Market Intel, from your dashboard. If you sell in Texas, this page shows mixed beverage tax receipt data from TABC, the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission. Like the Utah feed, it updates automatically in the background. There's nothing for you to connect or configure. What you're looking at is mixed beverage receipts, the closest public signal to on-premise sales by category and region across the state. Open the trade area report to rank accounts by beer receipts near your brewery, or the account targeting map for a receipts heat map. Because it comes from a state filing, it typically lags real-time by a few weeks. That's expected, not a bug. Inside a report, check the data as of date at the top. That's the most recent period the state has published. If that date is more than a month old, reach out to support so the team can check whether the state's publishing schedule changed. Otherwise, this one just runs. Nothing you need to maintain. From here, the category and region filters are worth exploring next.